We hear the phrase, boost your immune system all the time, but almost no one talks about what actually powers it. Because your immune system isn't magic. It's a system, a highly coordinated command center. And just like a military headquarters, it can't function without fuel. Today we're breaking down one surprisingly small food, the Brazil nut, and one trace mineral, selenium, that quietly controls immune coordination, antioxidant defense, and even cellular survival. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why selenium deficiency doesn't cause obvious symptoms at first, but slowly weakens everything underneath. Section 1. The immune general. At the core of your immune system is a cell called the T helper cell. Think of this cell as the general of your immune army. It doesn't attack pathogens directly. Instead, it coordinates the entire response, deciding when to attack, what to attack, and just as importantly, when to stop. Here's the critical part. T helper cells are highly dependent on selenium. When selenium levels are low, these cells lose efficiency. Communication breaks down, signals become weaker, slower, less precise. And when that happens, the immune response suffers, making the body more vulnerable to infections. But strength alone isn't enough. Balance matters just as much. Selenium also helps regulate immune signaling, preventing overactivation. Because an immune system that never stands down doesn't protect you. It starts damaging your own tissues. In simple terms, selenium helps your immune system know when to fight and when to disengage. Retention bridge. And that's only the surface-level role of selenium. Its most powerful function happens deeper, inside your cells, at the level of oxidative damage. Section 2. The master antioxidant pathway. Selenium isn't just a nutrient. It's a biological enabler. Your body uses selenium to build enzymes that activate glutathione, often called the master antioxidant. Glutathione neutralizes reactive oxygen species, supports liver detoxification, and protects mitochondria, the energy factories inside your cells. Without enough selenium, glutathione production drops. And when glutathione drops, oxidative stress increases, mitochondrial efficiency declines, and cellular damage quietly accumulates over time. This is why selenium deficiency doesn't feel dramatic at first. There's no immediate crash, no obvious warning sign, just a slow erosion of immunity, energy, and long-term cellular resilience. So if selenium is this critical, why is it so difficult to get consistently from food? The answer lies deep in the Amazon rainforest. Section 3. Nature's design. Why Brazil nuts? Brazil nut trees are biological outliers. They can live for hundreds of years. They develop massive root systems, and they form symbiotic relationships with soil fungi. These fungi allow the tree to access selenium buried deep in geological layers, minerals most plants simply can't reach. That's why Brazil nuts contain selenium in a uniquely bioavailable form. When you eat a Brazil nut, you're not just consuming a nut. You're accessing a mineral pathway engineered by nature over centuries of survival. And that's also why selenium content varies so much by region, and why Brazil nuts stand alone as one of the most concentrated natural sources. From immune coordination to antioxidant defense, selenium works quietly behind the scenes, but its impact is enormous. Just 1 to 2 Brazil nuts can meet your daily selenium needs. No stacks of supplements, no complex protocols. And when paired with vitamin D, which helps activate immune cells, the system works even more efficiently. Sometimes the most powerful health interventions aren't complicated. They're simply biologically aligned.